All right, class. One thing that I wanted to do was make sure that you guys knew how to access the Wall Street Journal because we have had students in the past who did not know that their tuition and fees paid for access to full text for the Wall Street Journal, and so they were subscribing to it, and there's no need for you guys to do that. So the way to get to the Wall Street Journal is very easy, and you will likely want to use the Wall Street Journal for some of your company research. So if you go to the library homepage, which is library.coastal.edu, then in order to get to the Wall Street Journal, it's actually very easy. You just go here to Database Finder. And Wall Street Journal is actually its own separate database. So you're going to go to W, and you will see these two Wall Street Journal options. Either one is fine if you're looking for recent information. It's not going to make too much of a difference which one you pick. We'll go ahead and do this Eastern edition just in case you want to do the historical. This one goes back to 1984 as opposed to this one going back to 2010. Just go in there. If you are off campus, then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you for login credentials, and those login credentials should be the same as your Coastal Carolina username and password for your email. So what you can do, I am recording this on May the 31st, and what you can do is you can come in here and you can view the articles in the latest issue by coming to this home page and then selecting latest available issue and clicking that date. And the issues will be listed. So let's say you wanted to look at some pretty nasty stuff here. Let's go with something unoffensive. Let's say you just wanted to look at this here. You could go to Business and Finance, and you can go directly into the full text, or you can click this and that is also your full text. That's where it will default, but you can get some article details here as well. Okay, so the article details may be useful when you are trying to figure out how to cite this. You'll have your publication title, the date, things of that nature. So that is what you can do in order to get to the Wall Street Journal for today or for any particular date. So if you did want to browse specific issues, then you would just come down here. So let's say you wanted to go to May the 15th of 2018. You could just select this, 2018. Okay, May, and then May 15th. La la la. Okay, there we go. And those are your articles for the May 15th edition of the Wall Street Journal. And works the same way. Find one that you want, you can click that full text and read it. The last thing I wanted to show you really quick in this video was that you can also search for your companies through this bar here. So let's say that I wanted to search for, hopefully there'll be something, for Rockwell Automation here. Can type in Rockwell Automation. And there we go. So you'll get how many ever results. And you'll see here to the left, you have different ways that you can set up limits and everything. So for instance, this has between 1994 and 2018. If I just wanted to do things 2000 and later, I could switch this to 2000, click update. Pretty easy. And then once I find one that I want to look at, I can just click the headline and there's my full text. Okay. I recommend that when you find something that you want, that you go ahead and email it to yourself, and you can do that by clicking, I probably did that too fast, by clicking this email option here and then just putting in, you can actually just, I'm going to put in my own email address. I'm Jason. And then I will have this in my inbox. And that way I won't have to find it later. Okay, that's all I've got for this one. Good luck.